For the second part of our belt, I'm going to show you how to add the belt to this sash. First, wrap your waist in plastic wrap. Next, cover the entire area with duct tape. Draw where the belt will be and cut yourself out along the seam. Cut your pattern out on the other side. Pin your pattern to your fabric folded in half. Trace along your pattern. Double up at the top of your pattern if you're adding pleats like I am. Cut your fabric out with 1/2 inch around the entire piece. Sew the edges down. Begin pinning your pleats into place. Sew the pleats down in 4 places. Now cut out a bunch of tiny strips of CosBond's attach and build. Peel and stick these between your pleats for a better hold. Now iron your pleats down. To add Velcro, attach an extra piece of fabric to the back with attach and build. Now trace your Velcro onto some attach and build. Cut these out and then stick them to your Velcro. And then peel and stick them to your belt. To attach the sash, trace where it will be on your belt. Stick enough attach and build down to stick your belt to your sash. I left space for the LED wire I'll be adding in step 3. Iron your belt to give your sash a better hold. And we're done. In part 3, I'll be adding a glowing arrow to the center of our belt.